So this is our product, the D-Light water faucet add-on. So this device can monitor the water usage level of a particular faucet in a household, specifically in Jakarta. It has several features. The first one is this screen monitor. So this screen monitor can inform the user about this water usage level of a faucet that this device is connected to. If the screen is black like this, it means that the water is not yet surpassing the average or the minimum water for a daily usage. But if the water usage of this faucet already surpassed the average or the minimum it is needed, then this screen will turn red like this. Now, the second feature is a multiple output flow, or the single output flow, that can be chosen by the user by turning this lower part using this knob right here clockwise or counterclockwise. This is also in accordance to the water saving effort of this using this device. So you see here this a spread multiple output flow nozzle, and there is actually another one inside of it. I will show it shortly. Is the single output flow. Okay. Now, how it works is actually the same like any other add-on. So the water will go from here, from the upper neck. This upper neck, we already designed it also to fit a common faucet in Indonesia household, in which it is 19 millimeters in diameter, and the water will go through here. And before it goes to the other side of this product, other end, the water will rotate this turbine and wind up this turbine, in which this turbine will send the data to the monitor about the water level usage. And normally, this device will sit on the multiple flow output, but if the user turned it using the knob that I showed earlier, this single output will go down and sits directly above this multiple flow output and will close several holes here and only uses the center part. Now I will show you the exploded view of this product. So here it is in a exploded view. We have a upper neck, and this part is the housing for this product. We have a turbine that I've already said, and this is the multiple flow. So the way it actually works is actually pretty simple. So when the user turned it and choose the single output will go down and close several holes of the multiple output and only use the center like that. And for the volume for the calculation, so it's we know the surface area of this turbine, and also we have the rotations per minute of this turbine that will send to this monitor, and it will calculate the volume that was used by this particular faucet. And if it's already above 70 liters, then the LEDs will turn on and it shows this red. Also, based on our conjoint analysis, it showed that the combination of white glossy finish with the accent of gray metallic and also the red LED is the most favorable for our customer.
Okay, this is the result of the 3D printing prototype of our product. That is the D-Light water faucet add-on. As we can see here, this is the result of the 3D printing. For this printing itself, it's a scaled down version of our actual product. As we can see here, on the top here, we have the rubber upper neck. This is for connecting our product to the faucets of Indonesian home users. And we designed the faucet so that the material will be flexible and so it can be used in many different faucet sizes. And here in the front, we can see this is the LED monitor that will show the user the water usage of um, using their faucets. So how the LED monitor works is when water flows down into from the faucet into the product, inside the product there will be a turbine that will rotate, and after a certain amount of rotations, the turbine will send a electric signal into the LED monitor and it will turn on and give the users the signal that they have used too much water. The LED monitor itself will be powered by the small electricity produced by the turbine inside of the product. And here on the right, we have the nozzle selection knob. In our product, there are two types of nozzle on the bottom. There's the large nozzle and the small nozzle. And that the large nozzle will produce the large water outflow, while the small nozzle will produce the small and more focused outflow. So here we designed the knob so that users can interact with the knob and choose whether they want it to be water outflow to be big or they want the water outflow to be small. Um, as we can see here, the 360-degree view of the product, and this is the top where there's the hole where the water comes in, and on the bottom it's supposed to have the different type of holes and the nozzle itself, and it's where the water will flow out.
So now we are on to the conclusion. So for conclusion, our product, Delight Water Faucet Add-on, can monitor water usage level of a particular faucet in urban household. It has a monitor that warns people if the water surpasses the average water usage, and it also has a unique output flows. As shown in the video, we use Autodesk Inventor to make our 3D model of our product, Delight Water Faucet Add-on. The 3D model that we design in the Autodesk software will then be printed using MakerBot Replicator in the Industrial Engineering Lab. So I will collaborate more in the about the 3D printing process. So in the 3D printing process itself, first we load the blue filament into the 3D printer, which then will be preheated. The blue filament will then be preheated by the 3D printer. The prototype of the D-Light water faucet add-on used blue filament, which is easy to use, provide precise results, and aesthetically pleasing to see. After loading the blue filament, we load our product's 3D model, which we made in the Autodesk software, into the MakerBot to fit the size, scale, and also estimate the time it takes for the printing process. The D-Like water faucet add-on prototype has 4 cm in diameter. The 3D printer takes about 2 hours to finish the 3D printing process. We also saw in the video that after the 3D printing process, the base plate of the prototype is removed using scalp and the support is also removed using pliers. So that's about the conclusion about the 3D printing process about our product, the Like Water Faucet add-on. Thank you.